In order to download Unity Hub, go to the download page on the Unity 3D website. Click Download Unity Hub, and the setup should begin. Once the setup is done, click on the installation icon in the corner, and the setup should begin. Click I agree, make sure it's set to the proper location on your computer, hit install, and wait for it to install. If Run Unity Hub is checked, then Unity Hub should open as soon as you click Finish. Now, click Finish, and Unity Hub should open.